Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with YouTube Steam It and Steam. It's only a couple days away until Christmas is here, and if you are still looking for inspiration what to bake, to give away or for your family to have for Christmas lunch, dinner, or breakfast, I have a very nice recipe for almond joy cookies. I hope you can see it. This is my youngest favorite cookie. He loves everything coconutty and chocolate, and this is very easy to make, and it only requires about 4 ingredients in total. So check out the full video if you'd like to make these almond joy cookies as well, and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So to make these cookies, I have here is 3/4 cups of almond powder, 2 cups of coconut flour that I made myself, and 2 cups of unsweetened shredded coconut. You can use sweetened, it's up to you. This is the dry ingredients. And then we are adding 2 cups of dairy-free chocolate chips, and also a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. We're just gonna mix them before we add the coconut condensed milk. That the dry ingredients already mixed, we're just gonna add the wet ingredients, which is the sweetened condensed coconut milk, and then we're just gonna mix it thoroughly. Then we're gonna scoop it with ice cream scoop, and then we're gonna bake them. I have here is 2 cans of coconut condensed milk at 195 milliliters each, so I need 2 cans of it, so it would make about 6 oz at least. Now drop by 1 scoop onto a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Some people like to mold it as is, but some other likes to pat it to shape it more nicer. Pat it down a bit, but it's sticky, so you need either to wet your hand or with gloves. Now that the oven is preheated, we're gonna bake the cookies for 10 to 12 minutes on convection oven, preheated 350 Fahrenheit. So this is the one that I did not press down. It's mounted, it's looking nice, and the ones that cooling is the one that I pressed down. So I'm showing you 2 ways. This is when you scoop with the ice cream scoop and then you press it down, while this one is the one that you scoop it with ice cream scoop and you left it as is. What you doing?